How to cancel ChatGPT Plus subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your ChatGPT application, or you can simply log into your chatgpt.com. Either way, you need to be logged into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner right here, and then from there you'll be able to see a gear like icon. Tap on that one, we'll get into settings, right? So after getting into settings, if you scroll down a bit, you'll actually be able to see the option of subscription, right? So since I don't have my subscription yet, there is the option of upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. If you already have your ChatGPT Plus, that would be the option of your ChatGPT Plus or subscription. What you're going to do is simply tap on that subscription option just like this, and when you do that, then here you'll actually be able to see the option of manage my subscription. All you need to do is simply tap on that option, manage my subscription, and when you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see cancel plan. Simply tap on cancel plan, and you can simply follow all of the on-screen prompt, and just like that you'll actually be able to cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.